Can you use an iPhone 16 case with your iPhone 17? Well, in this video, I'll answer this question. So over here, I have my iPhone 16, and this is the case I was using. It's made by Spigen, and it has worked really nice. Just to prove you that it fits, here we go, as you see, iPhone 16. Now, I was almost sure that it will fit on the iPhone 17, and in a way I think you can use it, but let me show you what I discovered. So the phone fits inside, maybe a bit harder to put in the case, or maybe it's just a perception. And over here the camera button is aligned, so you won't have any issues over here. The power button as well, I'm able to use it. Volume up and down will work. And also the action button is at the same spot. The only issue that I can see is, well, if we check on this position, you'll notice that the speakers are not centered in this cutout. Especially they are more towards the front of the phone than in the middle of the cutout. The case will still work, and the mic and speakers will still work. It's just they are not exactly centered on the cutouts. And if you check the back, this is where I think you can see it even better. This is the flashlight, and it's definitely not centered on the same exact spot as the iPhone 16. It's more on the upper right side. This may produce a different result when using the flashlight, since it's not hidden, but it's at the very limit of the cutout. The camera as well, they are able to go through the case, and I tested them out, and I wasn't able to see the case in the picture. So if I open the camera app over here, and if I choose the wide angle, okay, you cannot see any case. You cannot see the edge of any case, but the camera module is definitely slightly closer to the to the top of the phone. There's a small gap over here. I know it's maybe hard to see on the camera, but there's definitely a slight difference. So at the end of the day, yes, an iPhone 16 case will fit. I mean, most of them. This is a very thick one, will fit your iPhone 17, but it may not be optimal because of the reasons that I have showed you. If the case you're trying to put on has smaller cutouts than the one that you see over here, imagine they're half, because I don't know, they were more precise, and even over here, well, there's a chance that the speakers will be covered. So depending on the brand of your case, you'll need to test this out, but I think most of them will work. Thanks for watching. Leave a like. If you want a case for your iPhone 17, okay, made for the 17, I'll put links down below towards Amazon.